The GSI Novus is optimized for fast and efficient newborn hearing screening. In addition to ensuring your Novus is working properly, there are 3 key factors for successfully screening a baby. Number 1, skin preparation. The impedance between the skin and electrodes can make or break a test. It was indicated in this tutorial that the impedance should be below 10 kiloohms for testing. Using new prep on a gauze pad and rubbing briskly at each electrode site will ensure low impedance. If you perform the impedance test and any impedance is above 10 kiloohms, stop the test, re-prep the skin. I cannot stress enough how much of an impact this will have on your infant testing. Number 2, state of the baby. After proper skin preparation, it is not uncommon for an infant to be fussy or restless. It is critical to wait until the baby has gone back to sleep before starting the test. Sometimes covering the baby with a warm blanket can assist in calming the baby. Also, a baby might wake up during the test. When this happens, use the pause button to temporarily stop the test and then unpause when the baby goes back to sleep. And third, the quiet room. Noise can sabotage a newborn hearing screening test. The noise bar on the Novus does not differentiate between acoustic and electric noise. Therefore, use these tips to eliminate noise and improve test conditions. Ask parents or visitors to remain quiet. Ensure that all unnecessary electronic devices are powered off, and close the door to the hallway. If noise persists, try to move the bassinet to a different location within the room. Oftentimes, moving the baby toward the door gets them away from sources of electrical interference. This concludes the tutorial for the GSI Novus. If any additional questions arise, please consult the user manual or contact your facility program manager.